Welcome to Camps Worldwide. Introducing a new innovation in window coverings, a plantation shutter simply and cleverly designed for caravans and motorhomes. Complete with removable fly screen for easy cleaning and have tiltable blades to enable airflow without sacrificing privacy. They are made from a rigid polyurethane foam that is lightweight and possess superior insulation properties, perfect for this application and a must for all caravans and motorhomes. Most components come molded together for fast and efficient assembly. The airfill blades simply slot into the front inside panel. The magnets slot into a cavity before the back section of the panel is attached, which hold it together. The screws are fitted to secure the blades and magnets into the shutter frame. It is at this stage that caps are placed over the frame screw holes. The gas struts are screwed to the back section into brass threads, which are inserted in the mold for easy assembly prior to the rigid polyurethane foam being injected. The hinges are fitted into existing holes in the panel, which have been cleverly designed in the mold. At this stage, the removable fly screen is fitted to the molded channel. The shutter panel is now fitted with dual control bars for better light blockout. One on either side of the airfill blades for strength and to control the light and airflow. Magnet plates are attached to the shutter wall frame, as well as two more gas strut pivots. The back leaf of the hinges is then fitted to the wall frame. As the now fully assembled plantation shutter is installed to the wall of the caravan or motorhome using the existing pre-molded grooves in the window frame that line up with the existing holes on your caravan or motorhome window. A full infill piece is placed over the wall frame to cover the mounting screws. Our modern, innovative patented shutters have been uniquely designed to suit all sizes and shapes for all caravan and motorhome windows. They simply are the perfect solution.